I'm out on this lovely morning here, fresh morning, walking my dogs, and I'm thinking about how digital marketing and digital products has changed my life and how it's changing my life all the time, every day, every week, month by month, as my business continues to grow, and how I was selling physical goods online for 12 years, but I was still trading time for money. I still had to ship them out. I had to still restock them. I had problems with things getting lost and damaged in the mail rates going up, competing with big giants for next day delivery. So many different problems and issues that I had with being online. And before that, I was at 9 to 5. I was burnt out. I was depressed. I was crying going to work, crying coming home. That was 12 years ago. And I decided I wanted to do something different. I wanted to get out of 9 to 5. And nowadays in 2024, there's no excuse. People are buying online. They're selling online. In this digital era, so much is happening online. It's all happening online. That's where business and wealth is. Digital marketing is a $1 billion a day industry, and it's projected to be at 1.5 trillion by 2030. And people like you could be going online and you can monetize your scroll instead of just mindlessly scrolling. You could be creating short videos like this in pockets of time, whether you're at the dog park like this, whether in your car, waiting for your kids, you're gardening, you're cooking, you're traveling. You can be anywhere because it offers time and location freedom, because digital products are downloadable. So get downloaded right away by the customer. The customer buys them. They could be buying courses, ebooks, guides, anything that's downloadable, templates, workbooks, checklists, and it can be in a niche subject topic that you love. So maybe it's something you've studied, something that you're good at, something that you're passionate about and have a skill in. You have experience and knowledge in that area, and you can either create your own things like I do in Canva. I've created my own email marketing book. I've written a book about my time online selling physical goods. I've written my own digital and affiliate marketing guide, which is free and is going to help you get started. I've written my own content strategy workbook, which is also free and going to get you started. Or you can do a combination of things. You can sell done for you products that have rights on them for you to resell. You can change them or you can sell them as is. They're even known as private label rights or master resale rights. And you can do that with a combination of creating your own, like I have, right? My name is Susan. I'm in Alberta, Canada. If you've never seen me before, digital marketing is changing the lives of average, everyday, ordinary people, because they are making a recurring income, and it's kind of running itself once you set it up. You do videos like this, and you have automated email that will send out promos to people and help people grow and launch, and that's what I want to do for you. So please send me a message if you have any questions about digital marketing. Get started today and grab my freebies, and I'm here to help you and to guide you and help you launch.